Hi guys, this is Soraya. No, this is Aisha, and today I'm going to show you how to do this viral Turkish makeup challenge. But if you have been living under the rock and don't know what it is, then it's an opportunity. You will learn this look. It is. So yeah, stick with me till the end of the video, and let's get started without further ado. First, I'm using this primer on the face, which is basically a moisturizer, a thick moisturizer, because my skin is really dry these days. Then I'm using this pink matte eye shade and blending it with my fingers, because of course the best blending happens with your fingers. Now I'm using this thick eyeliner from Max Factor Kajal pencil, and the main point of this makeup is the eye makeup, and she has done a thick eyeliner on both the upper and the lower lash lines. I'm doing it on the next second eye as well, and you can see. So a lot of people have different techniques. Some actually drag the outer eyeliner, and some actually make it like a very classic one. I am going with the first one. I'm going to drag the outer part a little bit in order to elongate my eyes. Now I'm filling this waterline with the white eye pencil. It's basically to make your eyes look bigger and make them pop more. And yeah, you can see. And now this is what I have done. I have actually used a little bit of very light shimmer on the eyes. And now yeah, I'm using my lipstick, a pink lipstick, because yeah, the makeup is really pink, so I don't think so that any blush can do justice. So now I'm blending it. I'm using this lipstick as a contour as well. Now of course, because I use excess, so I'm removing the excess part. Now I'm using a full coverage foundation, and don't worry that a lot of lipstick is like there underneath, because the foundation is going to cover it and give a very nice naturally pink cheeks. So you can see over here. And now I'm using the powder blush on top of the pink that I've used underneath the foundation, and now you can see how natural it looks. So I've seen a lot of people, they use brown, but I don't think so that there is any need to use brown contour or brown blush in this makeup. It's just a pink makeup, basic pink makeup with black kohl eyes, and I use a little bit of shimmer to give a little bit of
What
glow.
is this lyric? Ariana Max Saja.
And yeah, of course the lipstick, which is red, classic red again. And then I realized that I forgot to put this mole, so I put it with the eyeliner. And yeah, that's the Turkish scarf. That's how the ladies in Turkey, they wear a scarf. And yeah, this brings us to the end of our video. But they may.
So this brings us to the end of our video. I hope you have enjoyed it, and if you have, don't forget to put a thumbs up to it and subscribe to my channel. And until we meet again, take care of yourself. Ciao.